Let's discuss one very interesting question, and it is a property as well that we know very well. Now we are going to prove that property about the equilateral triangle. Let's start. Show that the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60° each. Right. So this is the only information. No figure is given. This is the property we know very well. We know that all angles of equilateral triangles are equal. But when we prove it, we cannot just write it. We also need to prove that all three angles are equal. But why and how it is equal, right? So first of all, let's take an example of one equilateral triangle. Let's say X, Y, and Z. Now, this is the equilateral triangle. It means that what? We need to have all three sides equal. So we are going to put dash on all three of them. So let's write given condition triangle X, Y, Z, where we can write XY is equal to YZ is equal to ZX. Done? Now, first of all, ignore that we want to prove 60°. Just let's apply the theorem. How to have three angles equal? That's the most important question here to prove this theorem or this property, right? How can we have all the three angles equal, right? So first of all, basically, I just want to have a good explain the good idea. Let's say XY is equal to YZ. If I take only first two sides are equal, right? So can I write the angle opposite to equal sides are equal? Let's write angle opposite to equal sides are equal, right? Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Now angle opposite to XY. Now I told you how to identify even if you are confused. If XY is there, what will be the opposite angle? Angle Z. And YZ is there, so what will be the angle? Angle X. Right? So these two angles are equal, right? Now let's take the remaining two sides, and again the same theorem, right? I'm not going to repeat one more time. So YZ is equal to ZX, right? Now YZ is there, so out of triangle XYZ, YZ is Z. So what is missing? Angle X. And ZX is there, so what is missing? Angle Y. Right? Now see, we have two very important results. Angle Z is equal to angle X and angle X is equal to angle Y. So we can write, let's say this is the result 1 and this is the result 2. So we can write from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 that angle X first of all is equal to angle Y. Right? Now, angle X is equal to also angle Z, right? So, all these three angles are equal. That we proved it. This is the most important part of this sum. If you can prove this three angles properly equal, then you are done with the sum, right? Next is angle sum property. We know very well. You take X, 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 all three of them. So, you will be getting the 60° very easily, right? Remember, this is the most important part. So, basically, we prove that all three angles are equal, and let's take this angle as let's say M here because X we already used. So now angle sum property, let's write angle sum property. So angle sum property. So we can write angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 180°. Done? Now all these three values are equal to what? M. So let's write M plus M plus M is equal to 180°. So 3M is equal to 180°. M is equal to 180° over 3, that is 60°. Right? So basically, finally we got that angle X is equal to angle Y is equal to angle Z is equal to 60°, right? So finally, we get that all three angles are 60°, right? Let's recall what we did over here. We were not having the figure, we just had the question with us. Equilateral triangle means all three sides are equal. So mention that you can take any triangle ABC, PQR, whatever. Now first we take two sides equal and we get the angle Z is equal to angle X. Then remaining two sides, right, second and third basically, then we get another condition for the equal. So from 1 and 2 we can write all three angles are equal. Now don't repeat the alphabet, I have taken M over here. Next condition is very easy, angle sum property. So you get the value of M, that is 60. So this is how we prove that each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree.